Girls, if you have started on Zern Lesson 4, raise your hand. You probably had like a math blast or some sort of warm-up that had problems like this in it, okay? So what we're going to do right now, this is a review. I'm going to say the problem. You tell me, move the decimal, blank places to the right or left. And then we'll say the answer, okay? All right, 23 4/10 divided by 10. Okay, move the decimal to the left, one place value. The product, no. The quotient is 2 and 34 hundredths. Okay, 32 4/10 times 100. Move the decimal 2 times to the right. Why am I rewriting this, Cooper? He has no idea?
So, you know you're right?
No, why am I rewriting it?
Because you don't have enough space.
I don't have enough space to add my 0 there, okay? So when I know and I see that I don't have enough space, I'm going to rewrite it so I have enough room, okay? Am I teaching you a strategy? Yes, I am. Could you do these in your head? Yes, you could. And that's just life. So you're going to follow along and do what I say. So my answer here, boys and girls, 3,240. 32.4 divided by 100. Move the decimal
2 times.
2 times to the left. How do I say the answer?
0.
No. Start with 300.
324,000.
324 thousandths. Where's my decimal in 834?
There is
There is. It's at the end. Okay. Divided by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. How do I say this answer, boys and girls?
834,000.
Well, she didn't give the rest of you time to think, did she? You agree with how she said that? 834 thousandths? Very good, Mia. Okay, I'm going to let you do this one in your head. Try not to move the decimal with your pencil. Just do it in your head. Visualize the decimal going right. How many place values? 3. Okay, what do you think the answer is?
418.
You're right. Now here's what I'm going to say. Since this is review, and you're going to be asked to do it quickly on Zern, if you can figure it out in your head, please do so. What if you can't figure it out in your head?
Use a scratch paper.
Scratch paper is right here in this room, and I bet you have some in your classroom also.
I have paper.
Okay? So if you can't do it in your head, now what if you do the whole thing in your head and you miss 12 out of 14? What am I going to ask you to do?
Do it again.
And I'm actually even going to get an email that says you're having trouble with math. And it's going to have your name on it. Okay? So you can't hide anything from me. I know, it's like I work for the CIA or something. I know. Okay? So am I okay with you doing it in your head now that it's review? Of course I am. But if you're getting them incorrect, it's probably a good idea to write it down. Okay, let's move on. Next review. All right, now they do this on purpose to mess you up, and we're not going to let it happen. Okay? I gave you some advice. I said the last digit I write is in the place value mentioned. What form of numbers is this, by the way? Starts with a U. Unit forms. Okay, don't work ahead. Tell me how to write 9/10.
0.
Good. 0.9. Now, if I'm following the strategy that I just said, the last place value I write is in the tenths place. What digit is in the tenths place?
0.
And the 1 is in the ones place. Now, do I need that 0?
No.
Just cross it off if you accidentally wrote it. Don't take time to erase it. So 20/10.
2.
You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. 30/10.
3.
70/10. Okay, now stop. It switches. 900ths. 0.09. Now they're trying to trick you. Eyes up here, please. The last digit I write is in the hundredths place. What's that number? It's 10 hundredths, but what else is it?
1/10.
1/10. Do I need that 0?
No.
Cross it off. Okay, 11 hundredths. Yep. 17 hundredths.
0.17.
Or 1/7.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the
57 hundredths.
0.57. 0.42. 0.
Okay, stop.
Stop. Stop.
The last digit I write is in the thousandths place. Thousandths, hundredths, tenths, ones. 10 thousandths is really what number, boys and girls?
100.
100. Do I need that 0?
No.
Okay. So 20 thousandths is really 2 hundredths. And 60 thousandths is really
6,000 hundredths.
6 hundredths. Good. And these two are pretty simple to figure out. The 4 goes in the thousandths place. How do I say that number?
64,000.
Oh, that's just like unit form, isn't it? All right. So, feel pretty good about that? That's 4th grade in a nutshell. Well, no. It's the end of 4th grade in a nutshell. You know what I mean by that?
Yeah.
We did it in 1 page and it probably would have taken a month. Okay, let's keep going. Next year you'll do 5th grade in a nutshell. Half a page. Okay, so it says to write an exponential form. Who remembers what exponential form is? Cooper?
Where it's 10 times 10.
You're close. We're using the exponents.
Oh, then 10 to the second power.
10 to the second power. Would you like to try all of these, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay, and then I'm going to, in about 10 seconds, I'm going to tell you to tell me the answer.
10 to the.
Oh, no, in 10 seconds. Do them all. Cooper, I can't focus.
Alright, ready. Ready.
Okay, 1,000 equals?
10 to the third power.
Oh, thank you for not saying 10 to the 3.
10 to the.
Okay, 10,000 equals?
10 to the fourth power. 10 to the sixth power.
What? Are you having a race to see who can talk the fastest? All right. Here's another review. I need you to focus. Now, I went over and I visited with Mrs. Hager, and she said, yes, we've done a little bit of the metric measurement system. We've talked about milliliters. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Have you talked about milligrams yet? Did you weigh anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you talked about liters at all
Yeah.
in science class?
Yes.
What about centimeters?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't want to hear your pencil. I'm going to give you a rule starting right now. In 5th grade, are you listening? The only one of these that is not 1,000 is which number?
KG.
No, that's 1,000. I mean, which label?
Oh, gram.
No.
Miss Hager told us that we were going to learn this.
Katie? Huh?
Liter.
No, it's 1,000.
No.
No, it's 1,000.
Liter.
Aubrey, you're right.
Oh,
Now, I've got a meter stick. I'll get out in just a minute so you can look at it, okay?
I did that on the last.
Okay. But look at, doesn't this video look better than the one you were watching? Okay, I guess we'll just send it. I'll just send you to 6th grade math so you don't have to deal with this. Okay, and then I'll cry. The only one that is 100 is centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So I'm going to ask you the answers for the rest of them, and you're going to tell me. Are you ready? How many meters in a kilometer?
1,000.
Oh, good job, boys and girls. How many grams in a kilogram?
10,000.
1,000. Someone was incorrect in here. How many milliliters in a liter? 1. You are so smart.